First, open the palette, file that you downloaded from Schoology, go to Save As, and save it as palette, name, grade, and group. Then zoom in to see the tubes of paint. Select the eyedropper tool and sample the red color from the red tube. Then select the mixer brush hidden under the brush tool. Choose Window, Brush, and the brush panel is going to open. Then select the first brush. Close it and go to the options bar and select Dry. Paint above the red tube. Sample the blue color. You can use the eyedropper or click the Alt key. Then go to the brush panel. Then go to the brush panel and select the round fan-shaped brush. Close it and go to the options bar and select Wet. Then paint above the blue tube. And in the options bar, choose Dry and then paint again above the blue tube. Go to the brush panel and decrease the bristles. Paint a little more on top of the blue. And sample the yellow color with the eyedropper. Go to the brush panel and select the flat point brush with fewer bristles. Go to the option bar and click Dry. And then paint in the top of the yellow tube. Then go to the options bar and choose Very Wet and then paint some more. Now the yellow mixes with the white background. Then sample the green color from the green paint tube. Go to the brush panel. Select an erodible point brush. Change it to a small and the softness to 100. Choose Dry Heavy Load and draw a zigzag line above the green paint tube. Click Sharpen Tip in the brush panel. Draw a line next to the one you just drew. Choose Erodible Triangle from the Shape menu in the brush panel. And then draw a zigzag line with it. And zoom out so you can see all the tubes and the palette. Select the paint mix layer in the layers panel. To sample the red color from the red tube and click the brush and make sure it is wet. Clean your brush, then you sample it and paint on top of the red. Paint the next circle and it's purple because the paint stays in the brush until you clean the brush. And clean the brush. After that, sample the yellow color from the yellow paint tube and paint over the blue. Sample the blue and paint the next circle. Then sample the yellow, paint on top of the blue. Then you sample the red, then color the last circle red. Then you do the same thing with the yellow color. And color on top of the red to make an orange. When you're done, hide the circles layer from the layers panel, save and submit to Schoology.